sekarang kan bleaching powder.
Oh, putih dong. Orang itu saya tahu lah. Kalau tanya kok. राकेश बात कीजिए राकेश 106-3 में रोकना है पार करके टनल ऑब्लिक 3 टनल पार करके रोकना 106
Sini kemana semuanya?
Sari kaham bebam no. Good evening. Junai chung actually Koromsara party ti promo khane ngai Manu railway station no. Jing agi bahara kaisa station master no kai memorandum submit price kai. Sini memorandum ni subject kongo je agio Silchar to Agartala je train abo je lai solai thangoi tomani tai kaisa Agartala to Silchar je train lai solai thangoi tomani Manu age stoppage rojago. But idani abo COVID-19 ni pongai abo 2019 abo taisa bon noin thangka chung abo no demand tin taisa abo jate Manu station stoppage rona bagai chini chung oro ni je GM sab North East Frontier Railway ni je GM bini thani chung tabung no memorandum chung jomari thekato
ke jomari mane ya golo tam reply rikhabra
bo chungno saka bo o memorandum no bo yasa ke nega biniro je bin loge jate bini kormokarta tomar no saka obo immediate no karjokari khainangai jate oroni passenger suida ongna bagai abono dakti no bro processing andaro klaina hini power khabro tai kaisa ong gachini duita te memorandum o station koreo kaisa sini lomba bil hini kaisa jagaro kaisa school to high school o high school ni ashe pase 200 family poribar tongo a poribar ni chrai khonai porene rok school o lai solai thangoi tongo ar railway track crossing khai abo jate agami din taisa o railway overbridge construction khai o jate chrai rok lai solai thangona bai suida no porashona khaina bagai abono botuli chung station je GM sabno chung o pamon roka to GM sab sumno sungka o funding no samne thane demand khai state government na central government na MP thani inge chin saka jeto chinoro MP to member of parliament represent khai tongo borong man reboti mohan tripura chung bini throw hoite no aje budget no sanction khai dini chung GM sab no ok saka GM sab goselaka bo bokok soine na MP sab
kenara bo portal ne gai nara omage tini memorandum tomarika
so today we have gathered here on behalf of party TIPRA MOTHA under 48 Kromsa block committee and before also we have submitted one memorandum regarding the train which is run away from Silchar to Agartala and Agartala to Silchar. Before it was stoppage in Manu station area. So today once again we demand and we appeal on behalf of our party that train should be stoppage once again in this Manu station because most of the passengers are running from there, especially for treatment and the students for their further studies. So even there is a compact area this long traveling under this Manu station. There is Nepal Tila, there is Chamunu, there is Swalenka, Manikpur and 82 miles Demsara and Longtrai RF. So among all these sites, every day the passengers are gathered here. So for that, for their purpose, for their beneficial, we demand once again this train should be stopped in this Manu station area. And we have 2 points also we concluded that in this area one school is there, Lombabil High School. Beside this school, 200 families are living there, and most of those family students they have to cross the trackway station. So we demand to the GM under this track one overbridge should be constructed immediately so that students can go away and they can go to the schools if there is no any other disturbance arises when train will running up and down.
ke buska ngol je nong je sanmung no jodi no borok successful khai ya ke buska ko tin no kam ya free na wi no rok mai ke ko khana
Yes, today we have submitted memorandum already to the GM sub North East Frontier Railway. If this demand is not implemented by the department or the government, further in our future our demand will be, it may be larger in under demonstration if the people are not getting any benefited from this, our memorandum, we'll go to the bond for larger demonstration in future on behalf of our party TIPRA MOTHA. I am myself, Abhijit Tripura, Block President, 48 Koromsara, Party TIPRA MOTHA.